Hey guys, we're just doing a little update here on ripping out the windows and stuff on the camper. So here we've got my wife Tanya, say hi.
Hi.
We've got the windows out and we're cleaning up all the crap here. Got it all nice and smooth and cleaned out here. This is pretty bad. We've kind of come to the conclusion here that there was like a little awning on the back side here, and I started ripping at it, and you can see up here I got most of the black tar crap off of it, but there's no corner bead here. As you can see, like, this is just potential for things to go sideways down the road, right? Like, it's just a little hole there, but it was all covered up and well and dandy, but it's not ideal. So I think what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna replace the metal on the back of this because it's pretty killed. I managed to unscrew and peel off all the trim all the way around the top here and along the front, and I got half the screws out of that vent. I got to take that vent and the exhaust vent for the old stove out. We still got to take out the windows and such back here, but all in all, this black tar stuff that they had, like, see, it's it actually came off pretty good, and once you kind of get underneath it, it kind of peels away. But like, I got the corner bead off here, like, it's been siliconed and, you know, hacked up so many times over the years, but you know, it's workable. Like, getting this stuff off is, we're using a heat gun, scrapers, screwdrivers, kind of whatever we can here to get everything off. So yeah, we're working away. Today's taking a little bit longer, but yeah, we're getting there. You know, have to peel off that, but yeah, we're getting all this stuff out, and they close that up. But yeah. So that's the last update for now. I'll probably give another one in a few hours, see where we're at. Maybe we can get the roof off today. I don't know. I'm going out at 3, so we've got a couple more hours. And yeah, all right. Stay tuned.